This is Jeremiah with Overland Pioneers, and today we're going to install our new Zarges cases on our 2021 Jeep Gladiator. These cases are the 40810 model. They measure 22.95 inches by 15.28 inches by 6.96 inches tall. To mount these cases, we'll be using Zarges stainless steel mounting brackets, and these things are really well made. We added rubber pads inside just for extra grip. The mounting brackets come with 4 adjustable position handles, which we aren't going to be using because we're going to permanently mount our cases to our roof rack. Zarges also offers customizable foams for the inside of their cases. We got foam in ours because we'll have tools in there and we don't want the cases to be bent from the inside out. Mounting these cases are super easy, either with the adjustable handles that come with it or just bolting them straight to your roof rack. These cases are lightweight, rugged, dust and water resistant. They have cast aluminum stacking corners. They're very stable due to the fully welded aluminum profile frames. They are IP54 water resistant. As the cases come, they can be locked, or you can get locking latches. And we can't wait to put them through the paces. While we're on trips, we'll be using these cases for our recovery gear and our tools. Until next time, happy trails.